All right, so let's do a few more examples together. We're going to do these two together, and then I want you to try this one on your own, and then we will pause the video, and you will go back to check to see if that is correct of what you solved. So this one says that we're either borrowing or saving money, $300 at 8% for 4 years. So I'm going to go ahead and immediately label my numbers. I know that this is my principal, this is my rate, and this is my time. My time is in years, so I'm good there. I do need to change my percent to a decimal, so I'm going to go ahead and move my decimal 2 times to the left, so that's going to be 0.08. And now I am ready to plug these straight into my formula. So I equals PRT. Let's go ahead and plug them in. The principal is 300. The rate is 8/100ths. And the time is 4 years. Once again, I like to multiply my whole numbers first and leave my decimals to last. I know that 300 times 4 times 3 is 12, and then I add my 2 zeros. And I'm going to multiply, that's done. I'm going to multiply that by 0.08. I don't have to finish out my 0 because it's just going to be zeros across here. I do need to move my decimal out twice and move it back in. So my interest that is earned, we're just going to pretend that we were saving money. Our interest earned on this amount of money for 4 years was $96. Okay, so we found the amount of interest. Now we want to find what the total is. So if we were saving this money or borrowing it, we would go back and say, okay, this is how much money we were saving. This is how much money the bank or the financial institution is giving us for saving our money with them. So now I'm going to add that back together. And that gives me $396 in total that we would have in that savings account. Okay, let's go ahead and do another one. We're saving $1,225 at 6.25% for 18 months. Now notice this is in months, so remember in the first video it says that you have to divide by 12, which would give us 1.5 years. So let's go ahead and label principal, rate, time. Once again, we need to change our rate or our percent to a decimal, so we move 2 times to the left, and that will end up being 0.0625. I'm going to go ahead and pause right here to make sure I don't run out of time, but I will create another video to finish this one off.